So we've got our xiaoML kit. It's amazing. Camera, micro SD card, microphone, OLED, IMU for acceleration. Um, but before we do any machine learning, we've got to test whether the camera and the SD card and everything works. So very quickly here, I've got my SD card in, the camera. I'm going to hold it like that at myself. Okay, but it won't look like that in the video. Over here, I've got the URL for the code. Nothing has to be done to this code. It's got some camera setup information. Every 5 seconds, it's going to take a picture and then an LED is going to flash. And it's going to put some sort of random file name numbers. Okay, so we copied that into a new Arduino, pasted it. I don't think I've saved this. Um, we're on ESP32S, which says ESP32 Arduino, but it's actually ESP32. Notice it's right there, it's not the plus. Also super important, we've got, normally this is disabled, so we've got OPI PS RAM set up, and notice the port, it's not plugged in right now. I've already uploaded that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug it in and take some pictures of myself. Hopefully you can see the OLED going on. Oh, it'd be good if the darn thing cable was plugged in. There, so we've got our red light. It's looking at me, and hopefully within 5 seconds we will see there. That should have taken a picture. Now I'm going to tilt it up a little bit so I can get more of a clear picture. That would have been a picture, and that. So I'm going to unplug that. Now here's the cool thing with the setup they've given us. Here's the micro SD card. I slide it out. Here's the little converter they've given me. I put it in like that. I can't use this extender thing that I've used. I'm going to have to plug it into the computer, but you should see the effect on the screen. Notice my COM3 didn't show up, mainly because you have to open it after. On the new Arduino IDE, that's probably better. Here we go. Here are my pictures. Ignore Norton. And they're probably pretty dark because the lighting's not so great in here. Yeah, okay, there's me looking at it. First picture. That was a better picture. And that's a better one. Quality's not bad for a mini little camera. Here you have a camera that takes pretty awesome pictures onto an SD card. We've done 2 tests there. That's super good. You don't want your camera not working when you're trying to do ML. ML is confusing enough. It's always a good idea to test these things. I did load the board manager, and let's just go through this. Let me pause. Okay, so if you go into the board manager, type ESP32, notice there is an Arduino one, but we're actually using this one. I already have the latest installed, which is 3.3.0, but be aware when we're doing some edge impulse, we might downgrade it to, I sometimes in between there and there. Hopefully by then, Edge Impulse will be working with the modern version. Um, let's just plug this in, and here I'll actually plug the board in directly to the computer and just show you what happens with COM. Um, Okay, so tools, I've got the right board. I just want to check the serial monitor, show you what's going on. Every time it takes a picture, it logs the file name. Okay, and so now if I load that up, there's going to be a ton of pictures on it. Okay, I think that's about it. Hope that's fast enough.